In this video, I'm going to show you 10 brokers that you can start trading with today, and you don't need to be scared about losing your money. I will also show you the reasons why you need to trade with them. Okay, also, if this is your first time of seeing my channel, please like, subscribe and share this video so that you can get more information like this from us and also to reach other forex traders. So without wasting much of your time, let's get down to it and I will show you everything. So the first broker in my list is XTB, Best Trading Platform. This particular broker is in my list because it is regulated by three strong authorities, and it also has other great features. As you can see, other reasons here. It is great for swing traders. Next one is IC Markets, best for scalping and also good for day traders. So this particular broker is regulated by two authorities, as you can see here, and also it has a very low spread. It is fast for execution and it is great for EA bots. Next one is Pepperstone, best premium broker. This particular broker is very good because it is regulated by three authorities, and also it has an excellent execution speed and it has a strong worldwide reputation. It is great for active traders. Number 4 in this list is XNES. XNES is one of the best brokers these days because it has three regulation authorities. So it is regulated by three authorities, as you can see here. It has fast withdrawal mechanism, it has low deposit mechanism, also it has tight spread. So both beginners and pro can use XNES because it is very friendly, one of the best. Next broker in this list is HFM. HFM is one of the best brokers that you can see today. It is regulated by 5 authorities. It has a good spread and also strong support around the world, and also multiple account types. So it's one of the best and I strongly recommend it. Number 6 on my list is FXTM. This is one of the best brokers that you can see today. It is regulated by 3 authorities, as you can see. Good educational tools, easy platform, flexible account options. It is really good for learning traders. So if a beginner trader, I think this particular broker will be very good for you. Next on my list is Owando. This is one of the best brokers that you can see today, best for safety and trust. It has been there since 1996, as you can see. It is regulated by 4 authorities, as you can see. Also transparent pricing, great for long-term traders. So this is one of the best brokers that you can see today. You can try it out. Next in my list is AvaTrade. This is one of the best brokers that you can see today, more especially if you like copying trades, because it has great features for copy trading. It is also user friendly and it is regulated by 3 authorities, as you can see here, and it has a great mobile app. Next one is FP Market, best ECN broker. This is one of the best brokers that you can see today also because it is regulated by 3 authorities. It has tight spreads, fast execution, good for experienced traders. And the last broker on my list is XM, best for beginners. So if you're a beginner trader, I think you should consider using XM. It is regulated by 3 authorities, as you can see here. It has low minimum deposit. So for beginners who do not have much money, you can start from here. It is also easy to use platform, strong educational tools that can help you as a beginner trader to know how to trade and all that. So these are 10 brokers that you can start working with today, and I promise you your money will be safe. Now that you have seen all these brokers, the next thing is for you to check any of these brokers that are regulated around your region where you live, your country or something like that. This will help you not to make mistake or to choose any wrong one. But any of them that is regulated in your country, I think they are good to go. So save this video and see you in the next one.